Hey you guys, just wanted to come on here today and show you my new addition to the food forest here. I have put up a new trellis. So this is the second trellis that we have out here. And we are going to be putting the cinder blocks down here around the bottom. Give you guys a look at it, how it's looking now. Okay, so here showing you guys where I have got all the mulch out of the way on both sides of the trellis. Now, the way I built this trellis is I use cow panels from Tractor Supply and T-posts from Tractor Supply. And I just bent them and put the zip ties around here. Zip tied it on up. So now the hard part, putting them cinder blocks down. This right here is the trellis that we already have up. So once we're finished with the cinder blocks, it should look like this one here. Okay, here's how it's looking with the cinder blocks down. Both sides going around. Now we're getting ready to fill her on in with some good old nice compost, cocoa coir. We're gonna get this right. Okay, you guys, here is the final result. Check it out. I absolutely love it. Can't wait to start planting, you guys. Can't wait to start planting. All right, you guys, so we are done. I want to say thank you all so very much for watching my video today, watching this yard transformation we got going on here. We can't wait to start planting. It's that time of year. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please consider doing so and making sure to hit the notification bell. Until next time, I will be seeing y'all. Bye.